2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, center armrest, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.